All right, guys. So I'm on a collab, and the collab is not your average rib. I think that's what it's called, something like that. It's between me, Guggen, and Sleeper, aka Loverboy. So check this out. These are the ribs that I made. Right? I made them this morning. It's 2 bones right there. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to rewarm these ribs. Don't listen to the other videos you guys watch on YouTube or social media. I'm gonna show you guys the best way to re-warm these ribs. All right, guys. We're gonna set whatever smoker you have, put it to the highest temperature you can get it. The one I have goes up to 500 degrees. So we're gonna let that warm up, and I'm gonna show you guys how to warm these ribs the right way. Don't be fooled by those other videos. It's gonna be a simple cook, guys. Stick around. I'll bring you guys right back. All right, guys. So it's at 378. It's hot enough. Woo! Make sure you put them in the middle rack, all right, guys? This is how we're gonna re-warm our ribs, all right? We're gonna close this up. When I go ahead and close that up, it shouldn't take no more than freaking, I don't know, 4 or 5 minutes. You guys will see. This is the best way to re-warm your ribs. Stick around, guys. I'm gonna show you the results. It's gonna blow your mind. And not only that, it's gonna be double smoked rib. It's gonna be freaking bomb. Stick around, guys. All right, guys, literally 5 minutes in that smoker. Look at that bark, guys. It is super hot. Can't really touch it. You guys can hopefully hear it sizzle. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So gorgeous. Look at that. That's how you rewarm a rib or any type of food in your smoker. Look at that bark. Still got a smoke ring. It's still nice and juicy. Look at that. You can hear that bark. Look at that. Damn. All right, guys. Let's do the taste test. Stick around. We're almost done. Guys, it's freaking raining and pouring outside, so I had to come in the house. But let me show you before we take a bite. Look at that. Look at that bark. Bet you can't get any bark like that, right? This is how we do it here. Well, this is how I rewarm my ribs, just like this. My mouth is watery. Check this out. Look at that. Let me put that to the side. It's a little hot. Check it out. Look at that. Still juicy. See if I can break it apart. Oh, did you hear that crunch? Now that's a bark. Look at that killer smoke ring. Just gorgeous. Wow, it's super hot, guys. Look at that. All right, let's go in for the bite. Let me put this down. Let me grab it a different way. My God. It's freaking delicious. You know, I thought it was going to be a little bit more crunchier than that. Because that bark looked pretty damn... It almost looked burnt, right? Freaking fantastic. Check out the bite. Nice clean bite, right? Alright, guys. Well, April Fools. That rib was burnt to a crisp. Gracias for watching the 805 Barbecue Junkie. This is my entry to, what was that called? That not your average rib. I know Guggen's going to put out a video, and Sleeper. I will put both of their links in the description down below. You guys have a happy Easter. Man, that sneaker bar was bomb. Anyways, gracias for watching the 805 Barbecue Junkie. Ya sabes, make it count, because we only live once. Time is short. See you guys later. God bless you guys. Take care.